Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and it can't see upon the screen. Dancer, queen and dancer, pastor is not seeing eye to eye. You know, my people, and right now, Spice open our feelings because ladies are say she will never do no collaboration with Spice again. You know what I mean? And all that is stemming from ladies are. And what a girl name again? Tanya Stevens, yeah, sorry about that, people. Because Tanya Stevens and Lady Star, them reconciled over 20 years, you know, say, them did up on the Jamaica cruise and things. And, you know, Tanya say, you know, Marian Hall in the elevator and she just rush her, you know what I mean, and just hug her up and say, you know, we need for men's and all of these things. And, you know, Marian Hall said, yeah, you know what, we were good friends at one time, so, yeah, I saw the thing said. So after that, no, right? Lady started do one interview and them ask her, you know, so what about Spice and all of them things? And that's when she just said, you know, she can't be fake, you know. And then she made a caption saying, two things I can't play. I can't play hypocrite or fake. I will never sit and lie to please a crowd idol. It is what it is. I have been burned by people too many times to allow the same people to do it again. It will never happen. Never, never. Who feels it knows it. And this is when Dancehall Queen Spice, you know, she threw up her caption and she said, I'm me upgrade. I'm mad, me enemy. Yeah. Walking my soft girl energy. And you see the king of dancehall. I said, watch the queen. You know what I mean? But I think he got the characters mixed up because this is not Pumpkin Ginger. This is Spice, queen of dancehall. You see me? But nevertheless, we know say a lady saw she a chat. And if you don't know, let's take a trip down memory lane because this is not the first time Spice come out and said, this is why she ate me so much. Because I was so unbothered. You really think you can stop what God has blessed? Today for you, tomorrow for me. But mine are going to kill you. But I pray God will bless you. Live long life. So that you will forever live to see my success. And choke on it. But yeah, walk out on them. Oh yeah, bad man, I kill them. Pretty black bee. You know what I mean? Hashtag dancehall, hashtag best of the best 2015, hashtag Spice. I guess me hashtag Amadjut, hashtag queen of the stage. You know what I mean? And she wasn't done yet because she called names. She said, all this sus and people calling me asking what's going on. Yes, Lady saw run go work before me last night. And she was scheduled to work after. But because she thinks she could have stopped my thing, she walk out before her time. And I run go perform before me. But I hope she see now what time it is. Yeah, we all have our time and we are all here to make it. A lot of you fans won't get it or understand the truth of what's really going on, but I've said it before and I will say it again. I'm not here to take no one place. Lady Star done set it already and done name what she named. And I can't change that. And no other female to come after will be able to change it either, but there will always be other females to come after that will want to shine too. You know what I mean? There is enough lime here for all of us to shine here. We all have our dreams. I'm just here to do me, to do my thing and feed my two kids. I don't know what the problem is, but I just say, you know that ladies saw two bad mind and the argument done. So please stop calling me now. And you know, she went on to say some things, because you know, some tears come to her eye, all of these things, and you know, the woman, them, you know, the business, crabbing on the barrel mentality, and there's only a few genuine ones out there, you know, like Miss Kitty, who keep it real, and, you know, happy to see girl power and girl success. You know what I mean? So me just give it an update while I go on for that to go on, you see me? We ain't never going to get this collaboration again, so on a better, I don't want to say put the robots together. You know what I mean? But it is what it is, as Lady Saw said. Anyway, people, let's proceed to the next.
Use your name and your vehicle to insure you in the vehicle.
All right, pause. And you hear that? You hear what the woman said? To get the policy started, she used my vehicle, my name, my info. But then she put fear email and fear number on it. The same thing what love do me could have do. If love was a friend to me, love would have said, Ivany, call Geico and go do that. So you know what love do? Call love plan for take my money monthly and spend my money monthly and use our fake information where she use pan me insurance. But me now go know, you know, cause me not have the information for log in. Because me now go log in, cause me now want go log in and see a personal thing for you go say me have this and have that. Me not log in pan it. So everything, every single thing, what would I, you know, when I make when a payment or if you miss a payment, insurance would text you in your email and say you missed a payment or you need to pay this. So that is the reason why she put fear email and fear number pan it so that me not get no update.
Yeah, so as you know, this thing with Love and Ivany just went a whole nother level. You feel what I mean? And this is why you can never trust people, much less a thief, with your information. You see what I'm saying? You know the saying goes, there's no honor amongst thieves. So this is nothing new under the sun. So, you know, Ivany definitely got played. So hopefully, you know, she can, you know, get herself out of this fraudulent situation because girl wicked, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you. Girl wicked, you see me? But before me get into what I have to say, let's finish hearing what she had deal with the more proceed.
And she get all of the updates them. So when me I send her my money for pay my insurance, she name my money and put her fake something on it. And then it just a reverse, and I say it a bill up. And it just a bill up. But you know, put me for your insurance, because you know want it bill up with the fake info them for you get caught too. So you call and put my name and my thing for make it look like a you personally. You call not on behalf of me. You call pretending to be me. Because if you don't listen good, the insurance will depend it may not depend somebody insurance. Basically, the woman I say, me go online and me set it up like a femi own. What love, what she do, me coulda do. You coulda said to me, Vany, do it yourself.
Yeah, madness. All right. No, Ivany have to put like some hole pan our SNN and all of these things for ice, you know. So if, you know, love two sides to use them things there again, she won't be able to. You know what I mean? Because that madness, you know, one thing in America you can't play with, you know, car insurance and car inspection and registration. But most importantly, you want to make sure your insurance is good because God forbid anything happen on the road and you touch somebody and you don't have the insurance. Be a problem. You know what I mean? But me just giving them quick update while going for them to go on and see me. Okay, people, Dancehall King Vybz Kartel is back in Jamaica and he flew in on a private jet in style. This is my say, not too much of one of favorite artists can afford to do them thing there. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, it's definitely a good look. He's back in Waterford because, you know, we've seen many stories out there saying that bad man One Cartel saying can't ever forward back a Waterford and all of this stuff. You know what I mean? I'm not sure how true that is because we don't deal with street people business, don't we? But nevertheless, he's back in his, I don't want to say hometown because you know a Waterhouse him forward from. But whatever him say, Waterford, a fame yard. You see what I'm saying? He's back doing Big Dreams music video. You know what I'm saying? And it have the youths them, you know what I mean, in it. You see what I'm saying, my people? So it's definitely a good look, you know what I mean? He's back home and he's back reconnecting with the youths them in the area. You see what I'm saying? You know, say, I don't want to say money I go run, but, you know what I mean? Yeah, I don't want to say, you know, like God, because that's blasphemy, right? But it's definitely a good look because, yeah, things bless. Anyway, people, we're not going long on this no longer. Just so they're giving a quick update while I'm going for that to go on, you see me? So do the right thing and subscribe to the King, you know, we're about to drop some more eat later, you know, right? So turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.